up, you guys? We're here for the final spooky edition Slay Sunday, okay? Because Halloween is this week. Crazy. So anyway, I am going in with the conniving Queen AZULA, okay? Princess AZULA from Avatar: The Last Airbender. This is actually a character that I've low-key wanted to hit for quite some time now, so I finally decided to commit to it and do it, okay? My true Aries self lives for AZULA, okay? She's just causing problems for everybody, and I love it. Anyways, so I am going in with my Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 palette. You know, I felt like that was a fitting palette for the character. Anyways, so I'm taking that first like true red shade and I am applying that as my transition, and I'm applying it on my lower lash line. And now I am going in with that deeper, I guess kind of like burgundy plum type shade, and I did a halo eye for this. So I am applying that to both my inner and outer corner or outer edge of my eyelid. And then what I actually decided to do, because I liked the plum, but I kind of wanted to deepen it up just a little bit more, so I actually took the deeper brown in the palette as well, and I applied that on top just to kind of smoke it even more. As you can see right here, I took a mix of those two shades. And now I'm taking that really pretty gold shimmer and I'm applying that with my finger and putting that in the open space of my eyelid. But what I actually decided to do as well, since my eyes are kind of hooded, I applied the shimmer a little above my crease so that you can still see the shimmer when my eyes are open. Yes, I'm finally adopting that technique. But I'm happy with how that's looking. I almost knocked myself out with the palette. It's the only thing with these big old palettes. But now I'm taking that lighter kind of bone matte shade in the palette and I'm applying that to my inner corner. Something else I finally tried, you guys, I applied my eyeliner in my inner corner. Like I dragged it down to give it kind of more of that cat eye villainous look, and I'm happy with how that turned out. I literally never do that, so I finally tried it and I was pleased. And now I have applied my eyeliner and mascara, as you can see, and my lashes off of the camera, and now it's time for the lip. So I'm going in with my Jordana lip liner in the shade Cabaret, and then, no, Cabernet, sorry, like wine, hello. And then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. And that actually takes care of the face. So now let's do the final transformation. Boom, there she is. She is a problem. She is going to cause problems for the gang, okay? Anyways, I am really happy with how this look turned out, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this month full of Halloween looks. I always love doing this and I look forward to doing it again next year. We'll be back next week with the regular looks. Bye, you guys.